Hello traders, just want to share a quick trade with you. This is the Euro-Yen pair 15-minute chart, and this is another example of how to trade with the trend. Let's go to the daily chart real quick just to get an idea of what the overall trend is doing here on this pair. Okay, now we started pretty low over here on the left, we're up high on the right, so we're in an uptrend. Not only that, if you look at this steep angle of this uptrend, that shows to me that there's a lot of momentum behind the movement of this price action. Now, also, if you take a look at these moving averages here that I have on my charts, I have a 21 period and a 55 period moving average, and that gives me an idea of what the trend is doing. So whenever that 21 period is crossed over that 55 period, that tells me my trend is up. And when that separation exists between the two moving averages, like what we see here, there's a good amount of distance between the two. That to me also indicates the amount of steam behind this trend. There's a good amount of momentum in there. All right, so we're in a pretty good uptrend. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. All right. Now, if you look at the 30-minute chart, we're up high on the left, we're down low on the right, which would kind of look like a downtrend. But if you look at the recent price activity over the last couple of days, I mean, we have a series of green candles here, if you can take a look at that. And these candles are actually moving in a good angle upward. This is since Friday that these candles have been moving up like this. Not only that, if we take a look at the 21 period moving average and the 55 period moving average, we had a cross of that 21 over that 55 recently. This is a lagging indicator, which means it'll give you some a little bit of a hesitation before, or a little bit of a, what's the word I'm searching for? You know, it'll lag behind the activity of price, because this was moving up for a while before these actually crossed. But now that it has crossed, that's confirmation to me that this is an uptrend on the 30-minute. So let's go back to the 15-minute chart. And we had that cross here on the 15-minute. That definitely shows that we're in an uptrend now on the 15. Not only that, I'll put a buy stop here. This is my entry. It's a buy stop. I put it above this 146.80 level. That was my confirmation that, you know, that this was a good opportunity to get into the trade. You know, these breakouts usually carry a lot of steam behind that. Not only that, but if you look, I had a cross to the upside. For those of you who are unfamiliar with my entries, I use these smaller time frame moving averages, the 5 period and the 8 period, to give me entry signals. And you had a nice little separation here, a crossover and separation here of that 5 period moving average above that 8 period moving average. And at the same time, we had a cross here to the upside in our stochastic indicator, which is also a trigger to get into the trade. All that was happening right around that, right above that 146.80 level. All right. But once again, guys, this is a real good opportunity to get in and trade with the trend. You want to match up these time frames to get a real good entry so that you're setting yourselves up for success. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment below. Thank you.